today is Friday and I am going for a teeny tiny vacation with my mom, dad and few family friends. And yes, I thought of vlogging it. So if you want to know where I go and how is it, so please keep on watching. So we have reached Neral, and post that we are gonna catch a van up to the hill to Matheran, and up to a certain distance we are gonna go by van, and post that we are gonna go walking or horse riding. We have reached there's a point till which you can get your cars or your vehicles, and after that you have to go walking. So we are go walking. It's a beautiful atmosphere, and you can see me wearing the weirdest of the raincoat, because we weren't expecting rains to be heavy, and we got this for 30 rupees, and this hat also. So yes, stay tuned to see more. And we're just walking up the hill. The atmosphere is really beautiful, and if you have to come to Matheran, make sure you come in monsoon or in the start of monsoon, because it is really beautiful. And when I say it is beautiful, I mean it. You'll see waterfalls, you'll see monkeys, you'll see damp roads, and sorry, and also horses. Just wanted to add, Matheran is one of the pollution-free hill stations, because there are no vehicles allowed here. You can only walk, ride horses, and there are these human vehicles up there. So it's a pollution-free hill station. And I'll just take you along through my journey. Yeah. Sadly, there's no network in my phone, so I couldn't Instagram it, and Jio ka to network hai hi nahi, and the other one is just showing its true colors. He's my brother. Say hi.
Hi. I am his personal photographer.
Lol, that is such a lie. If you love trekking and if you love nature, this is the place where you should definitely come. We still have half a kilometer to go, and oops. So the nature is ditching us. It is either raining or it is sunshine, or it is not raining, and we are here wearing raincoats and doing nothing. And it's like I'm feeling, oh shit. And I'm feeling super hot and I cannot remove this raincoat because of the fact if I remove it, I won't be able to wear it again. And if it rains for more half a kilometer, then it would not be good. Your buddy, see your buddy. And you'll find monkeys, dogs, more monkeys actually, and I feel monkeys are not as people friendly as pretty dogs, cute dogs are. You see, a lot of people have come here. Even though the toy train is not working, people still come to enjoy nature. Hi guys, so I completely forgot to vlog, and we just came to the room an hour back, and I took a nap, and we are going down now to see the swimming pool, and the water is really cold in the pool, so I'm just thinking to go or not, and post which we have a buffet lunch, and I'll take you across. So it's been a little tiring, but yeah, let's see how it goes. So yes, we are down for lunch. I just got my makeup done, just a basic one, and I got few photos shot like in this outfit, and yes, let's see what we have for lunch. Butter chicken kurma. I'm having chicken today. Out for an outing. Oh, okay. I mean, out for sightseeing. Got done with lunch, some rest, and now to the market. Nice boots, man.
ओ पापा ये देखो
नींबू पानी है क्या?
है ना
हाँ, एक नींबू पानी खाना. So we are done with Madhavji Point. That is a park out here. So if you are here at Mathiran, this is a good place to relax, chill, be around the grass, greenery, and just, you know, give yourself some time to breathe. And we are looking out for some some other points where we could go for sightseeing. And there is sun, there was rain, then there is sun, there is rain. It's playing with us. Let's see. This is beautiful. I wish I could just stay here forever. This is beautiful. My phone battery is dying. I'll catch you once I reach the hotel. Now bye. So here I officially announced the end of day 1, and it was a fun day, and this is the first time that I vlogged, and I've started vlogging. And yes, do let me know how do you feel about it, and if I should do it frequently, if I'm good at it, if I'm bad at it. See, if I'm doing it, I am doing it for myself first, so that I can improve, I can explore things. Secondly, I'm doing it for you all, the viewers, the people who are watching it. And also, there's one thing that I want to document each and everything on my YouTube journey, and I want people to come back years later, and when they see, they'll be like, bang, even she started with scratch, even she started with zero, even she started with non-branded clothes, non-branded makeup, and the only thing that mattered was the content, the ideas, the purity, the uniqueness. That's it. So yes, I want to be very much frank, and I will, like, I know that I'm not gonna promote anything which I don't believe in and which I don't feel it is correct. If I believe in something, I'm gonna promote it. If I don't believe in something, I'll simply discard it, or I'll just not talk about it. Or even if I do, under certain circumstances, I would restrict myself to what the reality is. So yes, that's it. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it is free. And if you subscribe, we together can move ahead on this journey. And yes, that's it. And if you have any feedback or anything else, you can put it in the comment section below. I will love to read it. See, I'm in the initial phase on my journey of YouTube, and I have seen YouTubers saying that, the people who watch, they matter. But trust me, I was a viewer back then, but now I'm in front of the camera filming, putting my life, my ideas, my brain out there, and it matters. The people who watch you matters a lot, because they are the quality people. They are the real people who value you, who value your life, who value your content. They are bloody spending their internet charges, their Wi-Fi charges, MBs, GBs to watch your video. So yes, it means a lot to me. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Any feedback, any comment or anything, leave them in the leave them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I also write a blog, and yes, let's connect. Bye.